Hi, my name is Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to buy books and albums in Workspace. So once you've logged in, click Buy in the main navigation, and then select Books and Albums. The first thing you'll need to do is to create an order reference. This might be the couple's name. This makes it easy for you to find the album in Workspace and differentiate between different album orders. So next you'd select your design method. If you were designing in Workspace, you would select I will design in Workspace, and then after you've chosen your album options, you'll be taken to the Workspace album designer. Or if you choose to design in third-party software, select that one. Make sure your files comply with these specifications, select OK, choose your album options, and then you will be taken to a screen where you can upload your PSDs or a PDF file. In this tutorial I'm going to use the Queensberry Designed service, and then you choose a product range. I'm going to select a duo album, then you can choose the size of the album, and choose a cover material. You can look at the different options by material type or by material color, and then see the options associated with those. If you'd like to see our range of cover materials and other album options, you can take a look at our Help Center and see all of the different options we have for our albums. Next, choose a cover style. You can choose from personal embossing, plain, photo front, cover motif, or wraparound. There are some cover materials that are not available with certain cover styles. To see some of the different options available with each cover style, click on each of them and the options will appear below. I'm going to choose personal embossing. With this option you can select Bank Gothic or Futura, enter the names, and choose whether you would like a plus or ampersand symbol. And if you're only wanting one name on the cover, or say your studio name on the cover, ignore the symbol choices and leave the Name To box blank. Next, choose the matte color, and with a duo, choose whether you want an overlay duo or a page mount duo. And you're also selecting the base color there as well. And you're also selecting here whether you want a black page or an ivory page. Next, you can choose whether you would like a personal title or not. So here, if I wanted a title, I would select that one there, and then enter the bride and groom's names, the date, and who the photography is by, enter the number of pages, and choose an image source. You can select from an existing event in Workspace or choose to upload images now. Please make sure when you choose your image source that you only select the images that you want to appear in your album. Once you're happy with all of these options, click Save Album and continue. You can see an album ID has been created, so click OK. Here you can see all of the details you've chosen so far and a few more album ordering options that we need in order to complete your order. Here you can choose whether you want basic color service or premium color service. You could choose to add artwork retouching instructions to your order. Choose what you would like us to supply the album in. This option allows you to have your color corrected files returned to you on DVD. Here you can select the design style. Choose whether you want test prints. Here is where you let us know whether this is to be a studio sample or not. If it is a studio sample, it will have a Queensberry stamp in the back of it. Here, if you wanted a duplicate, you could select that here, and these qualify for a 15% discount. If you wanted a copy album, or often called a parent album, here you could select between a 5, 7 and 10 inch copy. Here I'm going to select a 10 inch copy. Here you can confirm where the images for your album are coming from, and a little warning will pop up if there aren't enough images in that collection. And finally, the special instructions dialog box, where you can enter any notes or things that pertain to your order, or anything you think we might query or question about your order. So if you have nothing to add, you can leave this box blank, and then once you've checked all of the options that you've selected, you can either click Save and come back to the order later, or click Confirm and place order, and we will receive your order and be in contact with you soon. For more information about discounts, cover materials, or anything to do with the ordering process, please visit our Help Centre, which has helpful articles detailing our services and Queensberry related information. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, send us an email at techsupport@queensberry.com.